Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna be doing unboxing my new rotors and brake pads that I got from my 2009 Toyota Yaris. I got these from R1 Concepts. Let's try to get this to focus. Hold up. There you go. R1 Concepts. So for the reason I went with this company is due to the fact that they're a pretty good reputable company. Um They're used in a lot of Evos, I've noticed. Couple Nissans, Porsches, Lexuses, and pretty much a lot of forums that I've looked at. They've gotten positive reviews, so I figured I'd give them a try. Um, for the sake of this video, I already cut like the top box open because y'all know I'll be doing this with one hand and then holding the camera with the other. But let's get on to it. See what's in the box. So these are my brake pads. I wanted the ceramics due to the they're easy on the rotors, extremely low dust compared to other brake pads like semi-metallic and all that other stuff. Also long life. For now, this is what I'm gonna go with, especially for the low dust, because the brake pads, I mean, that's on the car now. I'm not sure what the previous owner put on, but they leave a ton of dust. And I gotta end up cleaning my wheels all the time. I guess annoying. Can't even go a day or two without having to clean it again. But that's that's a car life. But I love it though. But here's the packaging that the brake pads come in. I love it. It looks good. So let's see what we got on top. So brake pads, premium ceramic formulation. Here's all their social media accounts, their website. Also, if you go to r1concepts.com, when you sign up for their, I guess, email mailing list, you get 10% off your purchase. And also now until September 25th, you could get 20% off your entire order. So take advantage of that. So September 25th, 2019. Let's see. Take this off. So underneath that is the plain box. And that's part number, all the other necessary information. These are the pads. I'm not going to cut them open now, but just so I don't get a whole bunch of crap getting on it and everything. So let's put this back in its packaging. Whatever. All right. So this is the rotor. So here's the rotor. Now I went with the drilled and slotted rotors. Now these, I went with these just for personal preference. Now there's different rotors and stuff. There's plain, there's slotted, there's drilled, and then there's slotted drill, which is these. Now these takes the benefits of the drilled and the slotted, but I wouldn't recommend them for like performance racing since the drilling, even though it's chamfered and everything to like reduce cracking, with the hard stopping, well, braking and then accelerating, braking and everything, it will make the drilling more vulnerable to cracking. Even though it's chamfered to reduce it, it will end up cracking. So basically, you just use it for like street performance use, towing, hauling, and pretty much off road. Um, Now this coating, it's Geomet. And talking about Geomet, this is R1 Concepts new um rotor series. It's called Geomet. And the Geomet finish is pretty much superior corrosion protection. These rotors is also made of high carbon alloy, which is pretty much gives it more strength, stability, durability, and performance. So actually, let's take it outside. This is what the unboxing is. Take everything out of this packaging and everything else. So these is how they do these is the OEM vane. It's pretty much the same thing as the OEM vane configuration. I'm not sure if they straight or in an angle. Alright, so they straight vents. Try to get the camera focused. Alright, there you go. The vents is straight. Now, if you guys are wondering, I don't see any markings for it being left or right. But how you could tell what's what, if you have it this way, this would be the left side. And then obviously if you have it the other way, it would be facing like that. So it would be the right side. But it's also to personal preference. But if these were like curved, the vents in the middle, it's a certain direction you gotta put it in. Just so it functions properly, because when it's curved, it pretty much acts like a fan and it helps throw out the heat quickly as possible from the rotors. And these are also split core technology. So, hold on. Oh, all right. It does tell you on the side. So this is the left rotor. As you can see from the L, it has a part number and then the L. So the L stands for left. And that one's the right. So let's take this out the box. Yeah, it's the same thing. So this one has R, so that's right. So this is the right side. That's the left side. So let's take this back out so you can see all this glory. And here's the rotor. Now this silver finish that you see on the rotor, once you do the break-in procedure, which I will be doing that, I will be having a break-in video to show you how to properly break these in as soon as you get it installed on the car with the brake pads. But this finish that you see, once you do the break-in procedure, it will look like a regular rotor. But this will stay the same color. And this finish is what they call the Geomet, which is this which is to prevent corrosion and stuff. So in the next video, well, I'm gonna try to do an install video. Um, I'm not sure how that's really gonna work out with one hand and stuff, but I'll try. If not, please forgive me. But I will have a break-in procedure video to show you how to properly break these in. All One Concepts also got a cheaper line, which is called E line. It's a whole lot. Well, not a whole lot, but it's more cheaper than the Geomet series. I went with the Geomet because I wanted their best line, which is Geomet rotors. Now they got the plain, they got the drilled, they got the slotted, and the one I got drilled and slotted. So these is what you call the slots, and these diamond tips that you see. Once they disappear, that tells you that the rotor is in need to be replacing. But this also helps with cleaning off any debris and all that stuff off the brake pads. The chamfered hole, well, drilled with the chamfered sides, it helps get that heat off the rotor and stuff. So, but if you want more information, like more in depth, I'm not going to talk you guys to death, but just go into r1concepts.com and whatever rotor you choose, you can read all about it, and to your preference, you can choose which one's right for you. But that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.